If you drive a truck, these 15 hacks will change your life. But do you know how to save fuel, stay comfortable, or prevent a costly breakdown? Imagine this. You're miles from the nearest stop, your fuel is vanishing, your back feels like it's been through a meat grinder, and then your brakes start acting up. What do? Stick around, because today we're revealing the smartest trucker hacks that can keep you safe, comfortable, and even save you thousands of dollars. And don't miss hack number 12. It's a total game changer. Plus, I've got a bonus tip at the end that could actually save your life in an emergency. Let's get into it. Fuel prices are brutal, and every trucker knows that a little efficiency goes a long way. These 5 fuel-saving hacks will help keep more money in your pocket. Hack number 1, the RPM sweet spot. One of the biggest fuel-wasting mistakes truckers make is not keeping their RPMs in check. Most trucks have a fuel-efficient RPM range, typically between 1,200 and 1,500 RPM. Driving within this range prevents unnecessary fuel consumption and improves engine longevity. Stay outside this range for too long and you're literally burning money. Hack number 2, tire pressure trick. Underinflated tires are a silent fuel killer. Even being 10 psi under the recommended level can increase rolling resistance, forcing your truck to use more fuel to keep moving. Checking your tire pressure before every long haul not only boosts fuel efficiency, but also extends tire lifespan. Make it a habit to inspect your tires before hitting the road, because every PSI counts when you're logging thousands of miles. Hack number 3, wind resistance reduction. Aerodynamics play a huge role in how much fuel your truck consumes. Using grille covers, trailer skirts, and fairings can significantly reduce drag, making your truck cut through the wind more efficiently. Less drag equals less fuel burn equals more money saved. Hack number 4, smart idling. Idling burns about a gallon of fuel per hour, and over time, that adds up to thousands of wasted dollars. Instead of idling overnight, consider using an auxiliary power unit APU or an electric bunk heater. These alternatives provide power and climate control without guzzling diesel, making them a must-have for long-haul truckers looking to cut fuel costs. Hack number 5, load distribution matters. Improperly distributed loads don't just wear out your suspension, they also kill your fuel efficiency. When a load is balanced correctly, your truck requires less power to move forward. Placing heavy items near the axles and distributing weight evenly reduces resistance, making your engine work less. Plus, proper load balancing prevents premature tire wear and improves overall vehicle stability. Which of these fuel-saving tricks do you already use? Drop a comment below. Long hours in the cab can be brutal if you're not comfortable. Here's how to make life easier. Hack number 6, DIY blackout curtains. Getting quality sleep on the road is tough, especially with bright lights shining into your cab. Instead of expensive blackout curtains, use insulated sunshades and Velcro blackout panels to block out light completely. This keeps your truck cooler during the day and makes it easier to sleep peacefully at night. A well-rested driver is a safe driver, so invest in good window covers. Hack number 7, the perfect seat position. Your seat position can make or break your back. Adjust your seat tilt, lumbar support, and steering angle so you're not slouching. A small tweak to your position could mean the difference between arriving at your destination pain-free or feeling like you've been hit by a truck. Hack number 8, ice cooler fridge. Fast food on the road gets expensive and unhealthy. A 12V portable fridge or cooler lets you store fresh food, snacks, and cold drinks without relying on truck stop meals. Stocking up on groceries and meal prepping can save hundreds of dollars per month. Plus, you'll have access to healthier options instead of greasy, overpriced truck stop food. Hack number 9, quick fix for foggy windows. This one's weird, but it works. Use shaving cream on your windshield to prevent fog buildup. Just spread a thin layer, wipe it off, and enjoy a crystal clear view, no matter the weather. Hack number 10, water bottle heating hack. Winter nights in a truck can get brutally cold, even with a heater. A cheap, effective way to stay warm is to fill a plastic water bottle with hot water and tuck it into your sleeping bag. It provides consistent warmth for hours, making it easier to sleep in freezing temperatures. This old school trick is a lifesaver when temperatures drop below zero. But what if you could make your truck 10x safer just by adjusting your mirrors? Hack number 11 will blow your mind. These could save your life. Every trucker knows safety comes first. These hacks will keep you out of trouble when things get rough. Hack number 11, the mirror trick. Most drivers adjust their mirrors incorrectly, leaving dangerous blind spots. Instead of tilting your side mirrors to see the edge of your truck, angle them outward so you just barely see the trailer. This expands your field of vision and significantly reduces blind spots. Small mirror adjustments can prevent accidents, making it one of the most important safety hacks. Hack number 12, DIY anti-freeze windshield washer fluid. Store-bought washer fluids often freeze in extreme cold, leaving you with a dirty windshield. Instead of risking it, mix 1 part vinegar to 2 parts water. This DIY solution prevents freezing and works just as well as commercial brands. Plus, it's cheaper and doesn't contain harsh chemicals that damage your wipers. Hack number 13, emergency traction hack. Stuck in mud, snow, or sand? Use your floor mats, kitty litter, or chains under your tires to create traction. This simple trick can get you back on the road without needing a tow truck. Hack number 14, brake check trick. Before tackling a steep downhill, always tap your brakes lightly to test for brake fade. If your brakes feel weak or spongy, downshifting and using engine braking can prevent overheating. Many truck accidents happen because drivers wait too long to test their brakes, leading to catastrophic failures on steep descents. Hack number 15, DIY fire extinguisher mount. In an emergency, seconds matter. Keep a quick-release fire extinguisher within arm's reach, preferably mounted under the dash or near the driver's seat. And here's a bonus life-saving tip. If your brakes ever fail on a steep road, what's the first thing you should do? I'll show you right now. Bonus hack, what to do if your brakes fail. Here's a bonus life-saving tip. If your brakes ever fail on a steep road, what's the first thing you should do? Do not pump the brakes repeatedly. Instead, shift to a lower gear immediately and look for a runaway truck ramp. These ramps are designed to stop trucks safely in emergency situations, and knowing where they are on your route could be the difference between life and death. Which of these hacks do you already use? Drop a comment below and let us know your best trucker tips. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more trucking content. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there on the road.